This 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features a BRYNLEE Teak interior, sleeps 6, awning, slide-out, TV, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, water heater, oven, skylight, external shower, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is 6,448 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.